animal yoga pose is eagle pose. Eagle pose is also known as Garudasana. Slowly begin in standing position. Cross your right thigh over your left leg. Try to tuck your right foot behind the calf of your left leg. Bring your arm straight out in front of you and then cross left arm over your right arm at the elbows. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come out from this pose. The next pose is Cobra pose, is also known as Bhujangasana. Begin by lying on your stomach. Place your hands flat on the floor under your shoulders. Straighten your arms to lift your upper body off the floor. Hold this pose for a couple of seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come out from this pose. The next asana is dog pose, Adho Mukha Simhasana. Stand straight, raise your arms and bring them forward on the ground. Stretch upper torso as much as you can. Ideally, when look from the side, your body should be in a V pose. Hold this pose for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come out from this pose. The next pose is cat pose, Mukha. Begin in a table pose. Round your back towards the ceiling and look at your belly. Then look up to the ceiling and allow your belly to sink towards the floor. Practice this asana 2 to 3 times. Inhale and look upwards. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Slowly come out from this pose. The next asana is lion pose, Simhasana. Begin on your knees, then sit back on your heels. Spread your fingers wide and press your hands onto your knees. Take a deep breath through your nose. Open your mouth, stretch out your tongue. Open your eyes wide and let your breathe out through your mouth. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Practice this asana for 3 to 5 seconds. Slowly come out from this pose.